Autism should be viewed as a realness. The word high functioning and low functioning are used by people who are talking about it from an outside point of view. So rather than using those labels, it should be referred as minimal support needs and high support needs to describe two different kinds of level of spectrum that people fall on. Note, this video is only for educational purpose. It does not refer to any self-diagnosis. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Riya Srivastav and our today's topic is treatment and coping strategies of autism spectrum disorder. And before moving on to the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon to get notified. Autism. The term is originated from the Greek word autos, meaning self, as in autism literally means self alone. It can be a lot of things. Like इस condition को हम autism spectrum dysfunction से denote करते हैं because it is a variety and diversity of symptoms. And not everyone with autism is same. मतलब किसी एक person को autism दूसरे person के autism से different हो सकता है. Now autism is not a disease. It is a developmental disability characterized by difficulties with social interactions and communication and by restricted and repetitive behavior. ये basically 2 साल की age तक हो सकता है, start हो सकता है, and a diagnosis by an experienced professional can be considered very reliable. However, many children do not receive a final diagnosis until much older. मतलब कुछ लोगों को अपने childhood या adulthood तक diagnosis नहीं मिल पाती. Now there are 5 types of ASD, which is autism spectrum disorder, and various symptoms, as well as there are causes and many more things that I will be covering up in my upcoming series video of autism spectrum disorder. So stay tuned. Now coming back to the topic, which is the treatment part. While autism is a lifelong condition, therefore इसके लिए basically कोई single best treatment नहीं होता. People with autism have a wide range of symptoms, so that means that हर individual की different needs होंगी. But with the help of a mental health professional and a child specialist, some treatment options might be used. Now the first one is therapy-based, behavioral and developmental therapy. Here, treatment for autism often focuses on behavioral, psychological, and skill training interventions. And one commonly used approach is applied behavioral analysis, which is ABA, a form of therapy that utilizes reinforcements to teach and reinforce desirable behavior and skills, which is often used in schools and clinics to help child learn positive behavior and reduce negative ones. Now, the second is other common therapies, which is used in the treatment of autism, and it includes CBT, as in cognitive behavioral therapy, speech therapy, and many more therapies like that. But such treatments will help people with autism disorder to foster cognitive abilities, improve existing strength, increase language and communication skills. It increases social skills, learn adaptive skills that allow for independent living. Now, in addition to seeking professional treatment, इसके अलावा there are also a number of self-help coping strategies that you can use to help cope up with some of the symptoms of autism. Now, some things that may help are be accepting. Rather than focusing on differences, try viewing these unique characteristics as just as a part of who someone is. Practice acceptance and unconditional love instead of focusing on trying to fix the things that make someone different from others. Next is creating a relaxing and comfortable environment, like paying attention to things that may be a source of stress, including sensory stimuli such as loud noises or bright colors. Next is follow a schedule. This is very important. People with autism do best with routines and structures. Keep things consistent, like each day, including meals, school, appointments, therapy, and bedtime. When there are going to be changes or disruptions, be sure to give an individual plenty of warning and time to prepare. Next is join a support group. Look for local support groups in your area or join a group online. You can share experiences, get support, learn about treatments, and discover resources and programs related to autism spectrum disorder. Learn to identify triggers. If there are certain things that tend to trigger disruptive or challenging behavior, you can find ways to prevent or modify those difficult situation. Pay attention to non-verbal communication. Like, pay attention to any behavioral cues they may show. They may not be able to tell you what's wrong. Look at things such as facial expressions, body language, and other non-verbal signals. Use positive reinforcements. The goal is to offer a reward when you catch them being good. When you notice that they are using a new skill or are doing something good, praise them for it. Because people with autism often struggle with communication and social skill. Someone asked me, what is the difference between a normal child and an autistic child? Now, the difference is, in a normal child, their whole body and its functioning is in the control of their brain, whereas in an autistic child there is a delay in or ability of the brain to control functionality of different parts of the body. Autism is a complex condition that can cause various degrees of impairment and affect a person's life in many different ways, in many different areas. So early intervention is important, and there are many types of treatment and resources available to help. Finding the right treatment for yourself or your loved ones can help them function more independently and live a fulfilling life. And I must say that there are no cures for ASDs, but the most effective treatment involves early and intensive behavioral interventions. The earlier a child is enrolled in these programs, the better their outlook will be. Remember that autism is complex and that it takes time for the person with ASD to find the program best suited for them. If you liked watching my video, do press the like button, and if you want me to take up any other topic, please comment down below and wait for the upcoming series of autism spectrum disorders. Thank you so much.